This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to send international money via Moneygram. Whether you're supporting family abroad or making purchases, Moneygram offers a convenient way to transfer funds across borders. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow to make your first transfer using the Moneygram app. First, grab your phone and open the Moneygram app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to ensure you're logged in so you can securely proceed with your transaction. Once you're in, look for the Send Money option on the app's main screen and tap on it. This is your gateway to starting the transfer process. Now, you'll need to select the destination country. This is where you want your money to be sent. Make sure you choose the correct country, as this will affect the transaction details, including fees and exchange rates. After selecting the country, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. Double check this amount to ensure it's correct, especially since international transfers can incur significant fees. Once the amount is set, you'll then choose how the recipient will receive the money. MoneyGram offers options like cash pickup or bank deposit. Select the one that suits your recipient's needs best. Now, it's time to enter the recipient's full name and details. This step is crucial. The information must match exactly as it appears on their ID to avoid any hiccups during the pickup or deposit process. Take your time here and enter everything accurately. Next up, choose your payment method. MoneyGram provides several options, including using a debit card, credit card, or opting for a bank transfer. Select the method that works best for you and proceed to the next screen. Before you finalize the transaction, it's wise to review all the details. This includes checking the transaction fees and exchange rate. Reviewing this information can help you avoid surprises and ensure that everything is as expected. Once you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and tap Confirm to complete the transfer. After the transaction is processed, you'll receive a reference number. This number is crucial for your recipient as they'll need it to claim the money. Be sure to share it with them securely. And there you have it. That's how to send international money via MoneyGram. With just a few taps, you can easily support your loved ones or conduct business from anywhere in the world